Once upon a time, in the vibrant city of Maranello, Italy, there lived a young dreamer named Luca. Luca's passion for speed and sleek designs led him to a lifelong fascination with cars, particularly Lamborghinis. Growing up surrounded by the captivating roar of engines, Luca was determined to create his own masterpiece on wheels. He spent countless hours sketching, tinkering with engines, and devouring every bit of automotive knowledge he could find. One fateful day, while exploring the outskirts of Maranello, Luca stumbled upon a forgotten warehouse. Curiosity sparked within him as he entered the dimly lit space, and his heart raced as he discovered a dusty, neglected Lamborghini chassis tucked away in a corner. With renewed determination, Luca decided to embark on a journey to resurrect the forgotten beauty. He poured his heart and soul into the project, working tirelessly day and night. Every nut, bolt, and curve was meticulously crafted under his skilled hands. Months turned into years, but Luca never lost hope. He endured setbacks and challenges, constantly pushing the boundaries of his abilities. With each passing day, the Lamborghini regained its former glory, slowly transforming from a dilapidated frame to a breathtaking work of art. News of Luca's remarkable project spread like wildfire throughout the automotive community. People were captivated by his unwavering passion and dedication. The story of the rebirth of the Lamborghini became a symbol of perseverance and the pursuit of one's dreams. Finally, the day arrived when Luca unveiled his creation to the world. The once-forgotten Lamborghini now stood gleaming under the spotlights, its powerful engine revving with a newfound life. The crowd erupted in applause, mesmerized by the breathtaking beauty before them. Luca's story inspired a new generation of dreamers, sparking a resurgence of automotive craftsmanship and innovation. His name became synonymous with excellence, and his rebuilt Lamborghini became a timeless testament to the power of unwavering determination. From that day forward, Luca's legacy lived on, and his passion for Lamborghini ignited the imaginations of countless enthusiasts. The tale of the forgotten Lamborghini transformed into a story of triumph, reminding everyone that with a dream in their heart, anything is possible. And so, whenever someone gazes upon a Lamborghini today, they remember Luca's extraordinary journey and find the courage to pursue their own dreams.